Hey, good morning again, folks. It's JT here. I wanted to do a little follow-up video of the one I just made about the Lee Carbide factory dies, and I wanted to give you a better idea of what I was talking about. Now, these are 180 grain 357 Magnums that I loaded, and I didn't realize it at the time because I didn't have this tool in the shooter's box, but I could have just used the cylinder of my gun, and I didn't, because I assumed that the dies were correctly sizing this. Well, this is the problem I was talking about. That bullet should be able to that cartridge should be able to just drop right in there, but it won't. And it won't drop right out either. So it's not good. And the reason that is, I'll say it again, is because when you try to put a good crimp right here on the mouth of the case, it crimps the bullet and holds it in place. If you try to put a strong crimp on there so you can use it in a lever action rifle, it bulges the case a little bit. So here's my hand press, and I have the Lee factory carbide die on it. I'm just going to give it a little half a spin and do it again for the heck of it. Now let's see the difference. See what I mean? That's why I bought the factory die. That cartridge now is perfectly sized, and that'll drop right into the cylinder of the revolver or into the chamber of the rifle. So I have a few of those to resize, and after that they'll be good to go. Anyway, I hope that clears up anything about how that tool is used and what it's for. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you all. Take care.